All right, so I wasn't gonna go through the guitar solo on this one. It sounds like there's a pretty sweet guitar solo in there, but I'm not gonna do that on this lesson. I just wanted to go through all the basic rhythm parts and get you a good start on this song. Maybe I could do the solo on another lesson or something. So we've got a opening riff that sounds like so you're going to set your index finger on the 5th fret of the A string and your ring finger on the 6th fret of the B. And I use my thumb and my middle finger, so I pluck with my thumb on the A and my middle finger on the B. So you're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then you're going to take that exact shape, slide it all the way up so that your index finger is 10th fret of A, ring finger 11th fret of B. Alright, now you're going to slide it down to 7th fret, index finger 7th fret of A, ring finger 8th fret of B. Then you're going to slide index finger up to 8th fret of A, but then ring finger is going to spread up to 10th fret of B. Back to that 7th fret position. So that's that riff for quite a while. And it repeats. Alright, then we got another riff that sounds like this. And I think it might repeat a little more than that, but so you're going to set your index finger 6th fret of low E, ring finger is going to be on 8th fret of D, middle finger on 7th fret of the G. And now I'm using thumb on E, middle finger on D, ring finger on G. The reason I'm doing it this way is because I'm holding my pick with my index finger because there's some strumming later on. So that's what I'm doing. You might be able to work something else out. But I'm doing thumb, index, and middle together. So thumb, middle, and ring together on the D and the G. So you're going. Then you're going to slide up 2 frets. Index finger should be in the 8th fret. Alright, so you got. Now take note where your index finger is on that 8th fret of the low E. It's going to hop down to the 8th fret of the A. And now you're going to bring your ring finger down to that 10th fret of the B. So this is the exact same chord we had in the previous riff. And you're going to go, I just go back to thumb and middle. Alright. Then you're going to walk down to 7th fret. And remember on that 7th fret chord, ring finger is in the 8th fret of the B. Then you're going to go down to 5th fret. Ring finger is in 6th fret of the B. Now you're going to go down to 3rd fret. And ring finger is now in 5th fret of the B. So you had. So that was. And I think when he stops on that riff, I believe he stops on that chord, but I could be wrong. Alright, so now we get into the strumming. And I believe he's playing these voicings just with different finger positions than I'm playing them, but the voicings are still the same. So just check out the way I'm playing it, but also go look at the way he's playing it as well, and you can maybe get some ideas from that. So we're going to start with a D minor chord. So index finger bars across, high E through A in the 5th fret. Middle finger sets down 6th fret of B, ring finger 7th fret of D, pinky 7th fret of G. And this is going to be kind of a tough one to explain. So you're going to strum down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So slower, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Now when you get to the second part of that strum pattern, notice how I just let off my index finger completely. And your focus is from the A string through the high E. So you got down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. All right, so you really want to hear that A note. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. One more time. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then you're going to take your index finger, set it here on 6th fret of the low E. So middle finger, ring finger, and pinky are where they were for the B minor or for the D minor chord. When you bring your index finger here to 6th fret of the E, that turns it into a B flat major 7. You're going to go down, down, up again. Then you got to go to a G minor chord. Index finger bars across 3rd fret. Ring finger sets down 5th fret of A. Pinky 5th fret of D. Down, down, up. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So we got. All right, so that should get you through that section. All right, this next part, I'm sure I don't have it exactly right, but it's close to the concept of what he's doing. So he's doing some arpeggiation on the D minor chord. So I'm just plucking B, G, E, B, G. Then you're going to a C chord. So index finger is going to set down on 3rd fret of the A. And then you make an A shape here on the 5th fret with your middle finger, ring finger, and pinky on the D, the G, and the B. And you probably don't even really need that finger there. You could probably just go like that. So middle finger, 5th fret of D, G, and B. Middle finger, D, ring finger, G, pinky, B. And you would just go. So I'm going B, G, D, E, B, G, B, G, D, E, B, G. And then you go, so you're going to go, then you're going to go, then you're going to slide that down and you're going to go. So you're going 3rd fret, 5th fret, and that's just B, G, D, B, G, D. All right, so. Again, that's not exact, but that's pretty close to what he's doing. Then they stick with those same chords there, but they just kind of start strumming. So what I'm doing there is just that same D minor bar chord, down, then you're going to go to that C, but this time if you can add your index finger down here, the 3rd fret of the A, it sounds better to me. So you're going to add your index finger, 3rd fret of A, middle finger, again staying on that A shape here on the 5th fret, and you're doing middle finger D, ring finger G, pinky B. And if you can't do that, don't worry about it. Just drop that index finger and just play that. All right. And you stay there. So I'm just down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And that's index finger first fret of A. Now, if you can't do that, you could even go like this if you want to abbreviate that D chord, D minor chord. Index finger 5th fret of A, middle finger 6th fret of B, ring finger 7th fret of D, pinky 7th fret of G. And then go to your A shape, stay there. Then go 3rd fret, 5th fret, back to your D minor. Now, if you did want to kind of mess around with some of the solo stuff, I'm assuming it's all going to be in like your D minor pentatonic box. So that's your D minor pentatonic box. That's one to look up. And maybe I can do a lesson on some of the solo stuff in a different one. But yeah, hopefully this was helpful for you, at least getting a good start on this song. Go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button so I can keep making these videos for you all, and I'll see you on the next lesson.